In today's video, I'm going to teach you what pixel tracking is and how you can disable it in popular email services like Gmail, Apple Mail, Outlook, and Yahoo Mail. Pixel tracking, also known as email tracking, involves embedding tiny, almost invisible images called pixels within emails. These one-by-one pixel images are used to monitor when and if you've opened an email, as well as track any interactions you may have with it. While this technology is mostly used for marketing insights, it can compromise your privacy, and that's why knowing how to disable pixel tracking is vital. One of the most effective ways to block these tracking pixels is by preventing your email client from automatically loading images in emails. This simple action requires that you manually click to load images, but in doing so, it stops the tracking pixel from triggering. Let me walk you through the steps on how to do this in various email services. Let's start with Gmail. First, open your Gmail account and head over to your settings by clicking on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Once you click, a drop down menu will appear and you'll need to select See All Settings to open the comprehensive settings menu. Now that you're in the settings page, stay on the General tab and scroll down until you find the Images section. Here you'll see an option that reads Ask before displaying external images. Select this option. By doing this, Gmail will prompt you before any images are downloaded, effectively letting you control what gets loaded into your inbox. Don't forget this last step. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save, ensuring all your changes are applied. Now let's shift our attention to Yahoo Mail. Similar principle applies here. Begin by navigating to your Yahoo Mail account settings. Click on the settings icon, usually found in the upper right of the screen. From the menu that appears, select More Settings to open a more detailed settings panel. On the left sidebar, find and click on Viewing Email. Under this section, you'll come across an option titled Ask before showing external images. Selecting this will set Yahoo Mail to request your permission before showing images embedded in emails, blocking those tracking pixels from activating. By following these straightforward instructions, you've taken significant steps to protect your email privacy across two major email platforms. Whether it's for maintaining privacy or just peace of mind, knowing how to block pixel tracking will help you take control over how your email interactions are monitored. Thank you for watching today's episode. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to ensure you're kept in the loop with future updates. See you next time.